Dear student, today topic is hardness of water. So, at first we will see what is the meaning of hardness of water, what is soft water, what is hard water, and why hardness comes in the water, and what are the factors, what are the reason why water causes hardness. Okay, let's see the important points about the hardness. Hard water means water which contains high content of mineral. Okay, so what kind of minerals it can contain? It can contain calciums, magnesiums, these things, sulfates. What happens when you wash anything with hard water? Suppose you are washing your clothes with water, normal water, okay, which is coming from your tap. Then what happens? Leather comes, okay, leather comes. But in this situation, when you wash anything with the hard water, that time leather will not obtain, you will get precipitate, means something will form which will settle down, it will not form leather. Okay, so this is about the hard water. Let's see some more points about hard water. Okay, what happens actually, there are one more kind of water, that is known as soft water. So what is soft water? The water what you are getting in your washroom, in your kitchen for the drinking purpose, or rain water is also soft water. Okay, so this water is suitable for the household purposes, example like cleaning, laundry and all. Let's see some factors about the hard water now. What happens actually, why hardness comes in the water is a question. So what happens, see in exam they may ask you the reason of hardness in water. So you have to answer exact this line, you will get full marks, no problem at all. And that is presence of soluble, don't forget to use the word soluble, presence of soluble bicarbonates, chlorides, sulfates of calcium and magnesium presence in the water, then it makes it hard. Okay, let's see the types of hardness in the water. There are two types actually, one is temporary hardness and other is permanent hardness. Dear student, in the detailed discussion we will study what is temporary hardness and how to remove the temporary hardness. Then what is permanent hardness and how to remove the permanent hardness. We will do detailed explanation as in class 11th hydrogen chapter. I hope you understood the lecture. Thank you.